What's up? This your boy Ty.
And it's your girl Jess.
Tonight we having salmon and we having some broccoli cheddar pasta. Like,
let me show y'all, babe. Let's just show them, okay?
All right, so I saw this really cool trick on Instagram with the salmon, take the skin off real easy, and I'm about to show you right now.
Okay, so the trick is you're supposed to be able to pour boiling water on the back of the salmon, and as you pour the water on the salmon, the skin is supposed to come right off. So let's see.
Wow, y'all, look at that. Come right off.
Here are our seasonings. We use this for our broccoli pasta. That's the finished product.